Hello guys, welcome to Slow Hustle. In this video I'm going to show you how you can claim around 30,000 coins for yourself. Okay, I've done that over time. Okay, I've done that and I'll be teaching you the same process I went through doing this. Okay, so you can put it into practice and do it so yourself. So hold for a second, let me show you something. Okay, so I'm going to search for something right here. You are going to see some PHT. Okay, you can see Phonium PHT. You can see the value of the coin. Okay, the value of the coin. See how about 2 zeros, then 2 9 and the likes. Okay, now so far since the creation of the coin, it has grown over 200%. Okay, 200%. So those that invested into this earlier on have made ×2 of their money. Okay, whichever amount you invest into it. If you put 10 naira, you get 20 naira. If you put $1, you get $2. Okay, so far, then the coin has about hold a sec. Okay, the coin has the maximum supply. Okay, maximum supply is just 5 billion. Okay, the maximum supply of the coin is 5 billion. In today's world that we have mediocre coins with a lot of supplies, trillions, 1,000 trillions, just very uncountable for me. Okay, but they are still trying to get some value, and these guys just have only 5,000 supplies. Okay, and the price is still very low. So this is the best time to get into it. I'm not saying you should buy this. Okay, you can just get it for free. That's why I say free 30,000 a token. Now let me check something for you real quick. I'm going to go back and I'm going to search for XRP. Okay, now look at this total supply for XRP. Now XRP has about, the maximum supply is 100 billion. Okay, 100 billion of it. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion. Okay, and somehow magically XRP made its way to $1. Okay, $1 of it. So assuming, let's think you have about 50,000 of XRP when it was so small. I'm going to scroll down a bit and show you something. Okay, this is the lowest. I want to check the lowest price XRP has been in time past. The all-time low around this point. Okay, 2 zeros and 4. Okay, ever since then till now, XRP has given around 15,000%. Okay, 15,000 return on investment. So if you have bought it that time, 15,000% is about maybe 150 or there about, yeah, about 150. So you will have gotten your money 150 times. Okay, if you have put 1 naira, that you get 150. If you put 10,000 naira, you get about 1.5 million or there about. So this has grown very huge, and it has a maximum supply of 5 billion. That is giving us a hope that Phonium is going to be something someday. Now the thing behind Phonium and XRP are quite different, but if they don't dump the project, there is going to be something in future, and you don't have to wait and take a guess on it. Okay, that is why you need to key yourself into this crypto thing and have and get your grab as many as possible. So whichever one that comes through, you say you diversify your portfolio. So whichever one that comes through in the future, in the nearest future, then you are going to monetize that. You get your money out of it. Okay, it's as simple as that. I'm not telling you to buy this. Okay, you can just go ahead and mine this for free. Now I'm going to minimize and go to the app so you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, now take a look at this. I've mined around 36,000 of this. Okay, 36,000 of this. Now this can only have 5 billion. Okay, 5 billion total supply, 5 billion, and 3.7 billion are in circulation already. So we only have a 1.3 billion to be mined. I'm going to show you that from CoinMarketCap before the end of this video. Okay, I have 36,000 of this, and currently it is worth $10. Okay, just $10, about 5,000 naira. The reason being that this coin has dropped in value. Okay, this crypto crash affected it also, and it's dropped in value. But if you keep on mining this and keep it for the future, now this Phonium token, I'm going to release more videos on it in times to come. Okay, to explain what it's about, the kind of utility token it is, who is behind it, and all of that. Okay, so if you keep this for a long time, this can be valuable too. Okay, it could be valuable and it could be not, but right now it is trading on CoinMarketCap. If I want, I can convert this to money. Okay, and spend it. Okay, you can see that the real value is reading here in real time, and it's trading on exchange. Now, for example, if you click on exchange right here, okay, this exchange PHT, if you click on it, it's going to show you something. Okay, it says Probit Global. That's an exchange, Probit exchange. That do you want to open or download Probit exchange? If I click on yes, it's going to take me directly to Probit exchange app on my phone, because I have the application installed on my phone. Okay, if I log into my account right now, it automatically connects with it. Okay, or I send it to address on Phonion or the Phonion to that of the Probit, and I'll be able to sell it. Okay, I'll be able to sell it that way and get my money out. Now, they are only available on this exchange. So in times to come, I know they are going to work on listing on several exchange, and you guys must key into it. So I'm going to pause for now and go to CoinMarketCap and show you something. Okay, so here we are on CoinMarketCap. Now I'm going to show you something real quick. You can see the maximum supply is 5 billion, right? Okay, while that of Ripple is 100 billion. So there's a lot of hope for this project. And the circulating supply is 3.71 billion. Okay, look at it right here, 3.71 billion, which means that we only have about 1.3 or 1.29 billion to go. Okay, and the rate at which you are mining keep on reducing. Okay, there's a halving. The rate at which you mine keep on reducing. So if this reduces to zero, you are not going to be able to mine again. Okay, and one good thing about mining this Phonium token is you mine for 7 days straight. Okay, you don't have to click on the app every day. Okay, you just go to the app and click it once a day. Okay, once a week, sorry. You click today being Sunday, then you wait till next week Sunday, the same time, same day, the following week is going to stop the mining session for the previous week, and you click on it again and start mining. Okay, it keeps mining like that for you until there's nothing more to be mined. So this is an opportunity for you. Okay, this is an opportunity. You can see here it shows that it remains 1 day, 18 hours and 50 something minutes for my earning session, okay, to end. So once it ends, sometimes on Monday or Tuesday, around Tuesday, so I'm going to click on the button again, and it keeps on mining for me. Okay, it keeps mining for you, just as easy as that. Now, to download this app, go to Play Store. I'm going to show you how you can go about it real quick. Okay, so you go to Google Play Store on your phone. Look at it right here. You click on Google Play Store, and once you're in the Play Store, you search for PHT. Okay, PHT. You can see cloud mining. PHT cloud mining. That is what you actually want. Okay, then you click on it, PHT cloud mining, and you can see the app right away. Okay, see the app right here. So I have it on my phone already. So it says open. So you click on download or install, whichever one. You click on install. After the installation process, then you click on creating an account, and there's one cheat sheet there. Okay, for you, there's one cheat sheet I want to give you. Now, if you create your account, you start mining all the way from zero. Okay, but if you use a referral code, if you use a word as a referral code, you are going to get 200 Phonium PT. Okay, 200 of it PHT for free, 200. Okay, now it's going to take you time to mine 200, but if you use the code, you are going to get 200 for free. So the code is going to be displayed underneath this video. Okay, it's in the comment section below. In the comment section, and probably on the thumbnail of this video, that is the code for you. Okay, use the code and you get 200 Phonium PT. That will get you started and you start mining. Now, of course, if you don't use a referral code, as most people ask, it's not going to stop you from mining. Okay, just in case you don't want the 200 free PHT, you just want to start mining from all the way from 0 to 200, then of course you can take your time. Okay, you don't need the referral code, just start mining, close account, neglect or ignore the space for referral code, and you start mining all the way from 0 to infinity. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you make use of this opportunity and start mining free Phonium token for yourself today. Thank you guys, and bye for now.